Okay, cool. So I got the package and I bought some wires and some sensors. I have a really cool idea. I'm having this RGB LED 300 pixel. The name of this LED strip is WS2812b, and it's a 5 meter long LED strip, and it is having 60 LEDs per meter, so that is the total of 300 LEDs in this LED strip. So the idea which I'm having is this is going to be the duct tape to all over the ceiling of my room, and will automatically sync to the music uh, based on the pitch and the volume, and this will display a waveform, a real-time waveform of the song in the LED. And to make this, I'm going to use this Arduino UNO that works on microcontroller at Mega 328. I'm going to use a audio sensor, a breadboard, and some wires. Yes. So as I am not much aware about the LED strip, first I'm going to check the data sheet of this LED strip. So let's check this. Okay, so let's start by hooking it all up. On our LED, we are having this power, a ground, and like data to the Arduino pin. So this red one is the power, the green one is the data to Arduino pin, and this white one is the ground one. Okay, so let's upload the code, and as per the code, as you all see that the first LED, or the LED which we address as the zero LED, should blink a light, uh, and the LED color will be white. Let's try it. It should light up the first LED. Let me just upload this code on the Arduino. Okay, as you all can see, the first LED is light up now. This should make a rainbow.
One eternity later.
Okay, it's getting upload. Okay, so let's check if our sound sensor is working fine. So we are having 3 ports in our sound sensor. One is VCC, the 5 volt port, ground, and a out. So the out port. So let's just quickly connect all this and check if our sound sensor is working fine. Okay, as you can see, it's showing us 0, as it's not detecting the sound sensor is not detecting any audio right now. Let me just play a song and we'll. Okay. So as you can see, as soon as it's detecting a voice or the audio sound. It's showing us variation. As I remove it, no signal, no audio. It's not detecting any voice or something. Okay, great. So it's working fine.
$2,000 later.
Finally, it's done, and yeah, I think it's working fine now. So let me just show you all how the LEDs are working now with the music. So let me just play a song. Let's see how it's work. Look at this. So I'm going to attach this with the TV set as of now. Let's see how it's worked there. Fantastic. So all the setup is ready now. The sound sensor is connected to the woofer box of my music system. So it will the variation which you will see on the LEDs will be on the basis of the I mean the bass in a particular song, because as I mentioned, the sound sensor is connected to the bass of my music system. So let's check how it is working here. Let's see. Let me play a song. Awesome. So as per the bass in the song, the sound sensor is working. Awesome. Let's try one more song, and please do subscribe to my channel and press the like button. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video and press the bell icon. Have a good day.